How to change Snapchat username without waiting 1 year. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can still change your Snapchat username without waiting for a year. So first is open up your Snapchat application. And from here, at the top left portion of your screen, just simply tap on your current profile photo. It will redirect you into your profile section. Now, at the top right hand, you should be able to see a gear icon. Tap on that so that you'll be redirected into settings. Now below my account, you should be able to see username, tap on username, and this is where you could actually change it. Just simply tapping and change username and you should be able to change it into your preferred username. However, if it does not let you change your username, then go back. And then from settings, scroll down once again till you go into support and feedback. Now tap on help center and then you'll be redirected here. Now from the search box, type in change username. And then choose on the second option that says, how do I change my username? Now, once you're here, all I have to do is scroll down once again and then tap on community and choose on Snapchat support. Now, our main goal here is to head straight into the support tab directly so that we can type in our main concern. Now, from here, scroll down once again and then choose on contact us. Now, scroll down here and from the topic, choose on I need help with a Snapchat feature. And once again, scroll down. Now, do not choose on I want to change my username because it will just lead you into the username article. But what you want to do is scroll down and choose on camera. And then under still need help, choose on contact Snapchat support. And then this is where you could possibly change your username. Now, input the current username, input your email address, and then the description of the concern is type in the current username and then type in the username where you would like or where you would have it changed. So that's the common way for you to be able to change your Snapchat username without waiting for 1 year.